I went to Savannah College of Art and Design and didn't know what I wanted to do. The first studio class that I took at SCAD was an introduction to graphic design, and I got an A in it, and I really loved doing it, and I stuck with it. So I knew right away I wanted to do that. I had a very fulfilling full-time career as an art director for 10 years before I started teaching, and this only enhances being a designer. I love working with the students. I love to see them develop as professionals and do better designs and get their portfolios together. And I love to see the excitement when they're working in the software and learning new skills. I think that creativity itself is a little bit innate. I think some students have a better eye than others, but I also think the technical skills can be learned. Anyone can draw if they take the time to really practice the skills. When students are designers, they just tend to see the world a little bit differently than someone who is not a designer. They're more creative in how they approach life, and hopefully designers are all making the world more beautiful.
My name is Kathleen Mahoney, and I'm an instructor in graphic and multimedia design.